Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and immediately selecting the host interface. First, shut down the VM and open Settings right arrow Network. Set Adapter 1 to Bridged Adapter and choose the physical NIC name on the host. This step connects the virtual NIC directly to your local LAN, so the VM appears as a peer on the network. Once done, make sure the adapter is enabled and cable connected is checked. This avoids a common oversight that prevents link negotiation with your switch. Next, you configure the detailed options to ensure stable operation. In Network right arrow Advanced set promiscuous mode only if required by monitoring or bridging multiple guests. This controls packet visibility. Verify adapter type matches, host drivers, and optionally assign a fixed MAC to avoid DHCP conflicts. Then start the VM, and inside the guest, choose DHCP for automatic IP or assign a static IP on the same subnet as your router. This is critical so services and name resolution work predictably on your LAN. Finally, you verify connectivity and address any issues. Boot the guest, run ping to the gateway and then to a public IP to confirm routing. Test DNS resolution too. If you see no link, recheck that bridged adapter still points to the correct host NIC and that cable connected is enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: if bridging fails, temporarily disable host firewall and network manager, confirm host drivers and promiscuous mode settings, then retry. Many connectivity problems stem from host-side filtering or wrong interface selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.